Hello defenders, welcome back to another episode of the OWASP Top 10, and as you can see on my screen I have DVWA, the Down Vulnerable Web Application, and its security set to low simply because this is built to be broken. And we'll go straight ahead into SQL injection, and by the way I'm going to be telling this with the blind SQL injection. So here's a normal request that I'm going to be typing in here so that you can see what's happening. So one, what you actually notice is that the first name admin and the surname admin have been given to us. Totally this is normal because behind the scenes the app is building a database query that looks roughly like this, and it's selecting everything from the user table where the ID equals the number that I typed in. So that's just giving us this user from the database because it's the only one having the ID 1. Now what happens is also typing a number, instead I type a piece of SQL logic. So I type in 1, so it's right here. 1 apostrophe or apostrophe 1 apostrophe equals apostrophe 1. Let's hit and submit on this. So as you can see now, every single user in the database just got returned because the query is built behind the scenes. Where ID equals 1 or 1 equals 1 and 1 always equals 1. So the condition is true for every row and every time. So this exotic quote or 1 equals 1 is the classic login bypass. So drop that into our username field with any password, and on a vulnerable login form, you are in without even knowing a real password. So remember, this is just a vulnerable application that is built to be broken. You're not supposed to be carrying out these actions on a real production system, or you will be landing yourself into trouble. So let's set this security to low to medium. So I'm going to here, then I'm going to change the security to medium and submit it. I'm going to go back into SQL injection and let's try the same payload. See that the same payload but different result. Medium security is doing some basic filtering, and that filtering has its own weaknesses, which is exactly what we are covering next episode.